Dun, dun, dun! Hi, I'm Robb Zipp, and I am in Plant City, Florida with my friend Tom Franklin, the soccer zombie. We are here for Dinosaur World. You're watching the Robb Zipp Show, so join us and let's have the most epic adventures. This is the first dinosaur. Apparently there's it's animatronic dinosaurs. You guys know I love that. I see animatronic dinosaurs all over. There's a big bug on that one, jeez. This place is open every day from 10 to 5 p.m. And you can purchase your admission right here. It's a warm, sunny day, so that's why I got the big stupid hat. And my appropriate neon dinosaur shirt. And I'm wearing a J.R.R. Tolkien t-shirt underneath that. Let's go on an adventure. You enter through the gift shop and see your first animatronic guy. Look at this tree.
So there's that.
So there's the cash prize and the card prize.
All right.
Here is the map. It started with a map, as J.R.R. Tolkien would say. Get into the light, you can see it a little better. She gave us this whole spiel, but there's animatronics, there's some dig zones, there's a splash pad. We're not doing that stuff, but there's miniature golf, mini golf. And the soccer zombie is the sponsor of this episode. He paid for my admission, but we saved $31.10 because why, Tom?
Because you're the one that's driving. You're the one that's getting us here. But also, it's back to school, so normally these run about $25, but they got us in the door for $10 a piece. Great value, and you know what? The mini golf.
Yeah, you get a cash discount. So
Yeah.
they if you bring cash, they give you a little discount on that. So
Yeah, but yeah, you can see there we saved $31
this
by
is
coming
awesome.
in today.
Awesome. So these dinosaurs aren't moving. It's a nice, oh God. You can get these little carts. You can rent these little carts to take your kid around. A dinosaur coming out of the egg. And they got crane games. $1 a play. Coins or cash only. But you can get plushy dinosaurs from the crane. I'm not playing the cranes. Got no cash. But all the other local attractions you can take part in. Look at these guys. The Doom Museum.
It's the museum.
Welcome to the Museum of the Doom of Dinosaurs. See the different dinosaur fossils, impressions, videos explaining what you're seeing. This is really cool.
Although his skunk level found is 42. Where Stan does not make the average, we need a new Jeep. And where they tell you hold still and he won't
This is
be able
Stan.
to see you, right? If you look at his feet, the metatarsals, he is up on his toes, fully grown on his toes.
It's Alberto.
Running as fast as it shows.
Hola, Alberto. ¿Cómo estás?
So much stress and
This is our first animatronic. This guy's got hair. He's got a toupee. Wait, what was that?
He went to Hair Club for dinosaurs.
Yeah, so in the Doom Museum, there was a lady. There was a lady that was telling you about Stan, the T-Rex. So yeah, there's some it's definitely educational. This looks dumb. Hey, but it's functional. Derp, 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 derp. Wow. So this is the mini golf course, and when they say mini golf course, they mean it. This is the smallest mini golf course, but let me tell you guys, this is a place made for kids, for entertaining and educating children. So this is definitely a child-size mini golf course. So there's a splash pad over there, a playground over here, and another playground over here. The path is nice. It's well shaded. It's a well shaded pathway. There's lots of picnic tables. I think you can bring in your own picnics, right?
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah, so This is the fossil dig area. They asked us if we could have paid extra to do the fossil dig, and we're like, no, we're good. That's definitely meant for the little ones. We don't need to do that today. So if you're driving down I-4 right there and you see this big T-Rex, that's because you're by Dinosaur World. That's so cool. Look at the Spanish moss hanging from the trees. So I guess all this was like the pre-show, because we've got an entrance gate right here that proudly claims
Yeah, I'm curious what lies behind.
Dinosaur World. Well, we've got a map. And then there's the Uncle Rex's Dino Gem Mine right here. But now we're really getting into it. All right, we're gonna play a little bit of mini golf. I got the orange ball for Houston. You got the black ball for your soul.
For my soul, yes, exactly.
And the holes are not numbered. We're just gonna play a couple of them, and go ahead, Tom. Oh, that doesn't count.
That's a mulligan. That's a mulligan. Ah, you're doing just as good as me.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. There we go.
Tiger Woods, your job is safe.
All right, now we crossed the path over the creek. The natural beauty of Florida.
It's quite beautiful, actually.
Yeah, we're in Plant City, Florida, which I mentioned, which is close to Lakeland, which is about in between Orlando and Tampa.
And as you can see, full of plants.
Full of plants in Plant City. The name is appropriate. Actually, it's closer to Tampa than it is Orlando, but if you're making a Disney or Universal vacation, if you got a rental car, it's just a little hop, skip, and a jump away. We are hashtag enjoying nature here at Dinosaur World. Ooh, I wonder what that is. There's a dinosaur coming out of that building. They got it closed off. It's beautiful. Nature bridge going into the jungles of Florida here. This guy hopefully doesn't spit on us. I don't see any.
Be nice.
Dilophosaurus. If I say any of these dinosaur names wrong, please correct me in the comments.
They're also not going to be offended because we don't have dinosaurs anymore. So
Well, the actual dinosaurs won't be offended.
Yes.
Mammoths, giants of the Ice Age. And there's another map. If you lose your paper map, plenty of restrooms. Oh, here's another fun pick spot. You can put your head through there, Tom. He's trying.
Help!
Okay.
This guy has the worst breath.
All right. Good luck getting out of there, buddy.
There we go.
Mammoths, giants of the Ice Age. Cave paintings, reproduction of cave paintings. Yeah, I think men drove mammoths to extinction. We're getting close to driving elephants to extinction, unfortunately. These guys are not animatronic. They do not move. They are frozen in time. But I don't know. Did you hear they might with genetics, but might be trying to bring back a type of mammoth?
I've heard that.
Yeah.
They can have like DNA, and they'll try to clone them. That's pretty
Yeah.
wild.
Yeah.
That's pretty wild.
They have the science.
Yeah.
It's Nessie. Parasaurolophus. And these guys are having a tasty snack.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I thought there was going to be more animatronic dinosaurs here. So far, we've just seen the one.
Let's go.
But this is still pretty epic.
Really? I mean, getting some good protein in there.
So many dinosaurs. Look at this one coming out of the egg. You can get some fish food. I guess there's some fish in this water here.
And it's cheaper here than it was in the gift shop.
Yeah, it was like $1 in the gift shop. Yeah, so you just traipse through the woods looking at dinosaur sculptures. Does it say you are here? No, it does not.
But it does give you a star.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
It does say you are here.
Yeah.
It's hiding behind the
It's hiding.
leaves.
Yeah, there we go. So there we go.
Yeah.
No animatronics. A little disappointing. But it's fun. Like, here's another little photo spot. There's lots of these photo spots here. Definitely sized for kids. This place is 100% made for children, which is great. We're just two grown men doing kids stuff.
We're two overgrown children walking around.
We're man-childs at the kids park.
But there's even things that, like I didn't know that, I've learned since I've come in here too. Like they give out a lot of good info. That tour guide from earlier was very well informed.
Yeah.
I mean, there's things adults can learn here too.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's a nice, hashtag nature walk. It is Florida, and it's when we're here, it's August. So again, $10 for adults until August 29th. It is a back to school special. Then after that, it's like what, $25 a person for adults. And then you can add on the fossil dig. You can add on. It's a set. You grab the fossil dig, the mining, the gym mining, and the train is all part of an add-on package, which we opted not to do. The Brachiosaurus, however, is here. Didn't this used to be called the Brontosaurus?
Yeah, it was.
Why did they change the name? I don't understand that. Let me know in the comments if you know why they changed it from Brontosaurus to Brachiosaurus. We got a bunch of Triceratops here, grazing in the grass. These are very cool. Well, actually, they're not even... Well, okay, these aren't Triceratops. These are... Chasmosaurus. Chasmosaurus. There's this pronunciation right underneath it. So they're not Triceratops. When did all this happen?
That's a good question.
Why did they change everything? Why isn't Pluto a planet anymore? What is going on? Everything they taught us in elementary school is a lie.
Yes, we have to come here to get educated properly.
Here comes the train. Choo! I didn't even have to make the fake choo-choo sound. They made the fake choo-choo sound. Well, that's I guess how a pterodactyl flies, on a zip line.
The Hollywood pterodactyl.
Yeah.
It needs
Yeah,
the zip line.
it's the Tom Cruise of pterodactyls. So yeah, some kids came up to us and were like, "Are you guys YouTubers?" And we were like, "Yeah, how did you know?" And they said, "Oh, we watch your videos." I'm like, "All right."
That's a great compliment. It also is.
Honestly, I think it's just because we're two grown men walking around a kid's park.
I was gonna say, yeah.
and I keep using my phone to
That's totally fair. Totally fair. But if you were those kids that saw us, by the way, drop us a comment and say hi.
Yeah. You can get an annual pass if you live near here, and these are all of the bonuses you get. Look at that. So they have a park in Texas and Kentucky?
Yeah.
Might have to go to the one in Texas. Everything's bigger in Texas.
I put it on the tee.
All right, you enter and exit through the gift shop. So if you didn't win a plush in the claw game, you can get one here. This is one's got Triceratops has a Santa hat. 'Tis the season.
And you better hope you win in the game because these are $20.
Well, you can just play 20 times.
There's
more variety out here too, though.
It might take 20 times.
They got dinosaur pillows. I love these shirts. Shirts from the Mountain. Those are very high quality shirts. I am a fan of the Mountain brand t-shirts. But all kinds. The other location, the Texas location is in the Dallas area. So and these ones you can just draw. You can get plastic dinosaurs Who is Stan t-shirts. Look at that. Who is Stan from Dinosaur World. That's their mascot. 15 bucks. That's not bad.
That's not bad at all.
Keep calm and run fast. And here's some shirts from the mountain with the Dinosaur World Plant City logo on the sleeve. All kinds of kid bucket hats. There's all kinds of cool stuff here. I did see earlier they do have stickers and pens, so I'm set on that. But even they've got all kinds of agate slabs, quartz, and boxes. And these cool statues of dinosaurs coming out of eggs. So cool. If you're a dinosaur fan, this is definitely the place. Yeah, they have some high dollar things here. Some real stuff. That's amazing. All right, that was our trip to Dinosaur World here in Plant City, Florida. Unfortunately, there were only 2 animatronics in the whole place. I was mistaken thinking it was an animatronic dinosaur park. It's just a dinosaur statue park, but it's still a great fun time. Great for the little kids, lots of families with the little toddlers. And we were just 2 grown men walking in a children's park.
And if you are down here with your family already, like I would say, like if you're down here already, you want something to do for the kids for a few hours, keep them occupied, you know, keep them learning. Obviously, it's a good place for that.
Yeah, it's a nice nature walk. It was great that there was a discount we didn't know. And thanks, Tom, for buying my ticket.
Absolutely.
So, all right, we're gonna go to our next adventure. I hope you join us. Until then, bye.
Bye.